Galing talaga na nag-iisang Gigi Delana.
Tayo na rin ginagawa ko.
Perfect.
Yes. You are perfect.
Oh, thank you.
Grabe yun. Relax, relax. Uprising Star. Right? Right on the 5th week. Kaya syempre nasabi natin na this is
Pakalalim naman ng tanong
essence. Nasayang not just a person or
Medyo kita.
kasi masyado ng
Siya ngayon.
laulit, no?
Grabe naman yung hugot. Thank you mga V's. Pero once again,
As we close this night, boom!
and find out.
Yes, again sa guest natin tonight, syempre, Miss Gigi Delana.